Welcome to Literature with Sasha. If you are passionate about diving deep into the world of literature, you are in the right place. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of 18th century novels in English literature. From groundbreaking works like Robinson Crusoe to timeless classical like Gulliver's Travels, get ready for an engaging journey through history where we will uncover how these novels shape modern storytelling. Let's dive in. 18th century novel in English literature. The 18th century marked a turning point in English literature, especially with the development of novels as a genre. This period saw the emergence of several famous works that would go on to the shape of future of literary history. Let's dive into the fascinating world of 18th century novel, exploring their context, characteristics, key authors, and lasting impact on the modern literature. What is 18th century novels? An 18th century novels refers to the work of fiction written during the 1700s, a period that saw the birth and growth of the novel as a dominant literary form in English literature. Unlike earlier literary genres such as poetry or drama, novels provided readers with in-depth insight into individual characters and their personal struggles, often against a backdrop of social and moral questions. Importance of 18th century novels in English literature. 18th century plays an important role in the history of English literature because it laid the foundation for the modern novels. These novels helped bridge the gap between the classical literary works and the more complex and realistic portrayals found in later literature. The 18th century novel is notable for its exploration of human emotion and societal issues and the development of personal identity. Historical context of the 18th century novels. To understand the novels of this time, it is crucial to consider the historical backdrop, social, political, and economic influence. The 18th century was marked by significant social, political, and economic changes. In England, the rise of the middle class, shifting attitudes towards authority and government, and the expansion of colonial empires all influenced the themes and subject matter of the novels written during this time. The rise of the middle class. As the middle class grew in importance, writers began to focus more on everyday lives rather than the aristocratic concern that had previously dominated literature. The novel provided a perfect vehicle to explore the lives of ordinary people, their struggles, and their ambitions. The Enlightenment era. The Enlightenment, a philosophical movement that emphasized reason, individualism, and scientific inquiry, had a profound impact on literature. Authors began to question traditional beliefs and explore ideas about human nature, morality, and society. This intellectual climate helped shape the content of many 18th century novels. Key characteristics of 18th century novels. The novels of the 18th century share several distinct features: realism and everyday life. Unlike earlier forms of literature, 18th century novels focused on real people and real problems. Writers often portrayed characters from various social backgrounds, giving readers a more relatable and down to earth narrative. Rise of the novel form. During this period, the novel emerged as a popular literary form. Unlike the epic poem and plays of earlier periods, the novel was longer, more complex, and focused on the lives of individuals. This marked a shift in the way stories were told. Individualism and moral lesson. Many novels from this period focused on individual characters facing moral dilemmas. These stories often conveyed lessons about virtue, morality, and personal growth. Satire and critique of society. Writers also use novel as a way to critique and satire society. They question the norms, especially regarding class, gender, and politics, using humor and irony to shed light on societal flaws. Famous authors of the 18th century novels. Several authors made significant contribution to the development of 18th century novels. Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift, best known for Gulliver's Travel, used satire to criticize politics, human nature, and society. His work are still studied for their cleverness and sharp critique. Samuel Richardson. Samuel Richardson, Pamela, is considered one of the first true novel. Richardson work often explored the moral and social dilemmas faced by women. Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding was known for his famous humorous and satirical novels such as Tom Jones, which critiques social norms while telling the story of a young man's adventure. Novels from the 18th century. Some of the most popular famous novel from this era continues to be cherished today. Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. This adventure story about a man stranded on deserted island is often considered the first modern English novel. It explores the theme of survival, self-resilience, and colonialism. Gulliver's Travel by Jonathan Swift, a biting satire of human nature. Gulliver's Travels used the fantastical journey of Gulliver to criticize contemporary society, politics, and the human condition. Pamela by Samuel Richardson. Pamela tells the story of a young woman who resists the advances of her wealthy employer, making it an important novel in the history of moral literature and the novel form. Tom Jones by Henry Fielding, a classical novel, follows the adventures of a called character as he navigates life and love, all while creating society. Themes in 18th century novels. 18th century novels explore various important themes, morality and virtue. Many novels of the time centered on the moral choice of their characters, offering lessons about virtue and wise social criticism. Authors frequently use their novels to critique the social norms of the time, including the rigid class system and gender roles. Exploration of human nature. Writers delved into human psychology, portraying characters with rich emotions, depth, and exploring their motives. The role of women in society. Women's roles were often a central point in these novels, with many works examining the limited opportunity and societal expectations placed on women during the period. The impact of 18th century novels on modern literature. The 18th century novel had a lasting impact on literature. Influence on the novel forms. The structure and themes of 18th century novels influenced future generations of writers who continue to explore social and individual issues in greater depth, shaping literary genres. The development of the novel helped shape many literary genres, including the detective fiction and even historical fiction. Contribution to the realism in literature. The emphasis on realism in 18th century novels play important role for later movements in literature such as Victorian realism, which focused on portraying life as it was. Conclusion. The 18th century novel represents an important movement in English literature, marking the transition from traditional forms of storytelling on the modern novels. Writers like Daniel Swift, Richardson, Fielding helped create works that not only entertain but also critique society and explore complex moral questions. Their legacy continues to shape literature today. Thanks for joining me today on Literature with Sasha. I hope you enjoyed exploring the rich world of 18th century novels with me. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more literary discussions and deep dives. Until next time, keep reading and keep exploring the magic of literature.